Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So for today's vlog, I will be showing you guys how I decided to style these lovely twists, these lovely little curls in my head. They're not really curls, they just the little twist that I did. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you're notified every single time I post another amazing video. Please watch or share my previous videos with your friends, your family, catch a dog, or another drill. Share my videos with everybody you love. Sarah Girl, Deja Vu, me, myself, and I could be popping. If y'all want to see this dope hairstyle, continue watching me on the road to 1K. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Do all that jazz. I love y'all so much, and stay tuned for the remainder of the video. Bye. So the first style that you can do with these mini twists is obviously you can wear it straight down how I have it right now. I typically take my 360 spray bottle from Sally Beauty Supply, and I put some oil in here too because the oil helps to keep my hair moisturized. And I also use this oil concoction you guys already know. Right now this is extra virgin olive oil mixed with black castor oil with some herbs in here. And yeah, that's the oil I use for my hair to keep it moisturized, looking soft and curly and smooth. For style 2, do like a up down. So take half your hair, put it up. Take half your hair on this side, put it up. I got my edges done, sponsored by Style Factory Edge Booster. I got the small one here. I sent my mom to the store to get the edge control. I told her to get the small one, and she got the baby one. So I'm gonna have to go back to the store and get us a bigger edge control, because it's both of us is not gonna last with that small edge control.
Wow.
But you just want to take half of your hair, put it up, boom. You can either wear it maybe cute simple like this if you want to do something new, or you can put it all the way through and wear kind of like a ponytail situation, and then can't have it out all over the place. So it's like a messy curly updo. Because it's Christmas time and you want to jazz it up, give it a little razzle dazzle, I have these cute Jingle Bells scrunchie that I got from Tarjay, and you can put your hair in this cute little pony for Christmas, and it could just be like that. A cute little hair accessory. Oh, that's so dope. Jingle bells, jingle jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Bells, bells, all the way. Fun it is to ride on an open sleigh. I think that'll be a really, really cute hairstyle. I wouldn't really say that this is style 3 because this is actually like the style that I did on the first one. It's just moved to the next side. But I kind of think that this may be my size. So when I wear my hair like this, I may wear it like this. I'm looking because the mirror is right here. And the camera setup is like in front of the mirror. So I can't really see fully. So I want to see myself. So for hairstyle 4, you can simply, I have a permanent part in the middle or whatever, so I can just, part my hair down the middle easily. And then this will require 2 scrunchies, so you can leave one piece out in the front for a little razzle dazzle. Then you can leave like your side pieces out, and then maybe a few in the back like that. And then you could take some of the hair and put it up. So this would be like 2 cute little ponies. Where's my other scrunchie? Okay, this style may be a little bit childish or whatever, but I think it's really, really cute. I don't know why these are sticking up like that and not like just down like this, like it should be. But I think this would be a really cute style. Also, another thing that you can do with this style is you can wrap it up and make it out to be 2 cute space buns. 2 cute mini space buns. Something like that. This would be a really, really cute style as well. Like 2 mini space buns. The next style that you can do will require a bobby pin. So take your hair to the side like this. Take your bobby pin. You can wear it like that and like this. So this would be a cute simple style. So you just have one slick to the back, and this out. Of course, your edges are already done, or you don't have to have them done. It's your hair, your choice. So yeah, this could be a cute, simple, cute little style that you could do. It makes a basic hairstyle, add a little spice, add a little razzle dazzle, so it don't just look plain in your head, but it has a little feel into it. The next style that you can also do is just a simple top knot bun. You just put all of your hair up into a bun, and then if you have some pieces out in the back that won't go up all the way in a bun, that's okay, because that adds a little spice to the style too. And you just want your hair to look easy, to look fun, to look free, and to look how you want it to look, and not by the standards of anybody else, but of your own standards and of your own expectations. It's your hair, your life that matters, not anybody else's. So all of these styles, I had some pieces out on the side because I just think it just makes it so cute, and it just adds a little bit more oomph to it.
But when I do decide to give you a little oomph, a little shink-a-ding.
And then I have like the two pieces out in the back, 3 pieces out in the back. And then you can also take this your hair and shape it into like a high top knot bun by just wrapping it around, pushing it up, taking another hair tie, going around it. Or maybe I need to do it twice. Let me see. Oh no, I can do it once. Just wrapping your hair around it. So it's like a curly bun, a curly top knot. I think that'll be so cute. Oh my gosh. There's literally so many cute, stylish hairstyles that you can literally do on this hair. You can make it look so cute and so you can make it look so cute and so unformal and like just not plain looking. Like you can do, there's so much versatility to having your hair wrapped up in this protective style. So if you guys want to do this style, I think you guys should do it because it just won't be plain and simple just on your head looking a mess. You can make it girly, you can make it cute, you can add jewels, you can add you some bells for Christmas time. You can do all that and make it look your way.
So for this style, all you want to do is put your hair in a ponytail straight to the back and then leave some hair out. But with the hair you leave out, you want to bobby pin it to the side, so kind of like a side bang, but just bobby pin straight to the side, and then you're just going to leave it like that, and then that's going to be that.
Yet another simple but effective hairstyle. We just got it all the way to the back, and we got some hair out back here. But it's really, really cute. Loving it. I love this. Like, twists are just so simple, so easy. Everybody should do twists. If you have this hairstyle in for a few days or a few weeks and you still want to wear it, or you don't feel like taking it down, you can get you one of these hair like bandanas. I'm assuming it's called. Well, yeah, it's called a hair bandana. And you can just wrap it around, and you can put your hair back, and you won't see the front of your hair. You literally only see your edges. And then it could be a cute little disguise for you so that you can wear it freely without worrying about like the frizz and how the front may look after it's been worn. And you can remember, you can always revert your curls and make your curls come back on the ends of your hair by adding the water and the oil, and it'll make it not be dry, and it'll give it some volume and some a little bit more length, but of course it'll shrink back up once it dries completely. But these are just a few cute alternatives that you can do to make this style pop and just leave it alone. Keep your hands out your hair. Now, I only have my hands in my hair so much because of this video, and I'm changing the hairstyles consistently. But if you guys do these hairstyles, you'll leave these hairstyles in for a few days, I assume, and you won't have to touch your hair as often or as frequent as I am doing currently, because yeah, it'll be in those styles. So this is a cute enough look. You can add little bands in or whatever. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed these styles. I hope you guys learned something. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Like, share, and subscribe to know post notifications so I'm notified every single time I post another amazing video. I hope you guys are here for the ride. I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. I love y'all so much. We're on the road to 1K. Keep subscribing. Keep sharing with everybody. I love y'all so much, and I will definitely see y'all in the next one. Bye.